Most people get this wrong. They think marketing automation is just about sending emails, but ConvertFlow goes way beyond that. If you want a tool that can truly personalize your website, capture leads, and automate campaigns, here's what you need to know. ConvertFlow is a marketing automation platform designed for e-commerce stores, SaaS businesses, and service providers. Its strength lies in creating personalized calls to action, pop-ups, and forms that adapt to each visitor's behavior. For example, if a user has visited your pricing page multiple times, ConvertFlow can display a targeted offer or a lead capture form tailored to that interest. Using it is fairly straightforward. After signing up, you integrate ConvertFlow with your website and your email marketing platform. From there, you can create campaigns using templates or start from scratch. The platform allows you to segment your audience based on behavior, source, or even previous purchases. This means you can automate messaging that feels one-on-one without manually tracking each visitor. The surprising truth is how much time it saves. Instead of manually creating different landing pages or tracking user journeys with multiple tools, ConvertFlow handles it all in one place. It also provides analytics to see which campaigns are converting and which aren't, so you can optimize continuously. There are a few limitations. If you are a complete beginner, there's a learning curve to understanding all the automation options. Also, it's more suited for businesses that already have traffic and email lists, as the tool shines when you have users to engage. In conclusion, ConvertFlow is a powerful marketing automation tool for businesses looking to scale personalized campaigns. It's not just about emails, it's about creating an experience that drives conversions. If you're serious about marketing automation, this tool is worth trying. Subscribe for more honest reviews of marketing tools and tips to grow your business efficiently.